Everyone, I'm Shen from Ipoh Perak and I'm 20 years old. I study Form 6 in SMJK Suntec, which is one of the famous schools in Ipoh Perak. I got 2.67 CGPA for my STPM and Band 4 for my PUAT. My father is a businessman while my mother is a nursing matron which is working in Hospital Taba Perak. I have 3 siblings and I am the youngest one. My elder brother and sister are currently working in KL. I used to be very active in clubs and society. I joined Leo Clubs, School Librarians and United Society of Suntec, which is named as USSE. I got regional top treasurer in year 2016 and deputy head librarian during my Form 6 life. My hobbies are watching YouTube and play computer games. When I was 13 years old, I get interested with computers. When I am free, I will surf the internet and look for some tutorials about how to format the computer and edit videos. By choosing this program, I can learn more details about computers so that I can make use of it in the future for the country development. When I graduate, I want to become a professional software engineer. I want to use the knowledge on computer and to create some of the computer programs that can help to solve human mistakes and errors that would lead to a serious consequences. For example, the calculation on the durability of a railway track that can withstand how many trains at the same time. Computer science is a study of process that interact with data and can be represented as data in the form of programs. In second year, we can choose our major, which are artificial intelligence, software technology, and network technology. In the final year, the program also requires for 12-year industry training and project. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to UKM for giving me this opportunity to participate in this interview section. I hope that can be enrolled and be part of UKM. Thank you.